No matter how much time passes, regardless of where I'm at, whether it's in person or online, if the topic of beard oil gets brought up, I cannot get away from this phrase. And that would be beard oil is only for the skin underneath the beard, and it's not actually for the beard hair itself. And I firmly believe that this is absolutely false, and I have a very simple way of proving it. But first, and I think this is gonna be a short video, but an even shorter introduction, my name is Dan C. Bearded. Sincerely, I appreciate you guys checking this video out. If you like this topic or anything beard related, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel if you're not already. And if you want to hear this answer and the reasoning, hit the thumbs up to show YouTube this is the type of content that you like to hear and see. So, I do believe that that statement is false. I also believe that beard oil is first and foremost for the skin underneath the beard. Absolutely. But I also believe it's for the beard hair as well. I don't think that this is a this or that situation. Wink, wink, if you know, you know. We have a live stream every Monday night on this channel, guys, called Command's Corner, 9 p.m. Eastern. We have giveaways. We play a game called This or That. We talk about Florida Man Mondays. So many good things. I hope you guys consider joining us. I didn't even plan on talking about that, but it just kind of fit in. But I don't believe it's this or that. Beard oil doesn't have to be for the skin or the hair. I believe it is for both of them. And this is my simple way to prove that. The amount of beard oil that the vast majority of bearded people use is based on how long and big their beard is. Quite simple. If you have a longer and fuller beard, you are going to use more beard oil. If you have a shorter beard, you're going to use less. Now, as your beard grows longer and fuller, does your skin massively change and get bigger? No. So why would that amount change if it's only for the skin? Well, the answer is because it's not. It is also for the hair. Another piece of evidence is when you are formulating a really good beard oil blend, you should be finding skin and hair oils. Now, most oils are going to have benefits for both, but some oils are specifically designed by nature to go in and nourish the skin. Some oils are specifically designed to go in and seal and coat and nourish the hairs. They have different jobs, but they play really well together. Think about it like a basketball team or any sports team. You wouldn't want a basketball team full of point guards. You wouldn't want a basketball team full of centers. You want to have a nice balance and have those ingredients do their job. That's what beard oil does. It is for both areas. And it's just as simple as that, you guys. For me, when you see my beard on video, it's beard oil only. In the morning, I use beard oil. At night, I use beard butter. Now, if this was not for my hair, I don't think my hair would be as nourished. I don't think it would look as healthy. I don't think it would move as well because it is covered in beard oil doing its job. And covered probably isn't the right word for it because the oil is going to absorb, it's going to do its job. But to bring that all together, yes, it's for the skin, and yes, it's for the hair. I know where that phrase came from with some marketing tactics. Good job, right? It got people's attention. It gave them a phrase, but it's just become one of those things that people just repeat over time where it's like, oh, hey, fun fact, did you know beard oil is only for the skin? And I have to be like polite and stuff. I'm like, yeah, but you know, it's also for the hair. And I don't know what kind of like fun fact person accent that was, but you know a guy like that. We all do. And so guys and girls out there, I want to end this with just opening it up to you guys. Have you had experiences with this? Has it bugged you for a while? Do you disagree? Leave your comment down below. If you believe that beard oil should not be for the hair, let us know why. I have never heard a good reasoning against my thoughts that it's for the skin and it's for the hair. And I think the reasonings that I offered when it comes to how much you use and how the blend is developed, I just think that that's like, okay, that's pretty sound logic. So let me know your questions. Let me know your thoughts. Drop your comments down below. Even if you just want to say, hey, Dan, and leave it at that. Even if you just want to drop an emoji like a little hi, that does help out as well. Comments are appreciated and they are welcomed. Thank you guys for watching today. My name is Dan C. Bearded. Stay bearded and stay positive.